Kayau dia kelum ya kitar kimar bam kican ginap kicing tak pun babrio kisok kipai kado rengkat bekiwe pat botep kong ke Jolly Belly supermarket kelayat mentala shibrai tam Khyndai Lad. Ya kani kayau dia kelum la penya da kapria nga banerji. Bat hakani kayau kadan ru ke sekai le akai bernya ki kelum kena kat bak kimi kipa kidang thiet jing thiet. Kani ke dukan ke terwar ke cimap dor discount hakabel jukinong thiet.
We have fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, etc. We have frozen foods as well. No, actually it's a whole package of everything, right? So if you want anything, like if you want to purchase different things from different shops, then you can go into our shop only and you will get everything over there into the same market.
Thì đơn rượu như là khi bờ one yang làm khung thì lạ bằng thì đơn chừng nào hay khung đúng. Aduh supposed ni. Mainly in Police Bazaar. I mean, there in our supermarket. I mean, you can get everything under one roof. Yeah, because there we have the discount comes on the bill, and then we have made these offers, many offers. If suppose you buy plus 300, you get a free gift, and then if you plus 500, we get free suji, and then free sugar.
Our price are cheaper and at a reasonable rate also. So like if you purchase from other markets and other shops, you will get in higher price, and we are giving discounts as well. You will get in cheaper price.